Have you ever walked into a room, started speaking, and felt like nobody was really listening? It's frustrating, right? You try to make your point, but somehow your words just fade into the background. Now imagine the opposite. You walk in, open your mouth, and suddenly all eyes are on you. People stop scrolling on their phones, they lean in, they listen, and they remember what you said. That's not magic, it's skill. And today, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful secrets to instantly command respect in any conversation. First, let's get this straight. Respect isn't demanded, it's earned. And it's not just about what you say, it's about how you present yourself when you say it. Think of the last time you met someone who had this quiet confidence about them. They didn't shout, they didn't brag, but somehow you just knew they were someone worth paying attention to. That's the energy we're going to unlock. Secret number 1, your body speaks louder than your words. When you stand tall, shoulders back, and keep steady eye contact, you're already saying, I believe in myself. And guess what? If you believe in yourself, others will too. Imagine you're talking to your boss or even just a group of friends. If you fidget, look down, or cross your arms, people read that as insecurity. But when you project openness, people can't help but respect your presence. Secret number 2, the power of your voice. Your tone, rhythm, and pace matter more than you think. Speak too fast and you'll sound nervous. Speak too slow and you'll lose attention. The trick? Balance. A clear, steady voice shows confidence. Add pauses. Yes, silence is your friend. Those 2 seconds after you make an important point, that's when your words sink in. Think of great speakers: Obama, Steve Jobs, Oprah. They don't rush, they let every word land. Secret number 3, choose your words wisely. Respect grows when your language is intentional. Instead of saying, maybe I think, switch to from my perspective or I believe this because. The difference is huge. People naturally take seriously those who sound certain about their thoughts. You don't have to be aggressive or arrogant, you just have to own your message. Secret number 4, the art of listening. Here's the twist. Sometimes the fastest way to earn respect is not by talking at all, but by listening. Imagine being in a group conversation where everyone is waiting for their turn to talk. If you're the one who actually listens, nods, asks a thoughtful follow up question, suddenly you stand out. People feel valued around you, and in return, they value you. Secret number 5, control the room with presence, not dominance. Respect isn't about being the loudest in the room, it's about being the most grounded. Even a calm smile, steady breathing, or a simple I understand at the right moment can shift the entire mood of a conversation. Think of a leader you admire. They don't need to yell or wave their hands wildly. Their quiet presence is enough. Now, let me give you a real life example. A friend of mine once told me he always felt invisible in work meetings. He had ideas, but nobody paid attention. I told him, next time before you speak, pause, sit up straight, look at 2 people directly in the eye, and when you make your point, say it slowly with certainty. He tried it, and the next week his manager quoted his idea in front of the whole team. That's the power of these simple shifts. And here's the beauty: you don't have to master all 5 at once. Start small. Maybe tomorrow you just focus on posture. The next day, your voice. Over time, these habits stack, and suddenly you're no longer the person struggling to be heard. You're the one people look to for guidance. So, to recap, stand with confident body language, speak with a steady voice, use intentional words, listen deeply, and hold the room with calm presence. Do this, and I promise you'll notice the shift. People will start to see you differently. They'll take you seriously. And more importantly, you'll start taking yourself seriously. Now, here's my challenge to you. In your very next conversation, practice just one of these secrets. Watch how the energy changes. Then come back, share your story.